everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to fix Tesco Bank application crashing issue on your Android device. Some of the common causes of application crashes are software bugs issue, device compatibility issue, network issue, or corrupted data issue. No matter what the problem is, here are some basic troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. Step 1. Restarting your Tesco Bank application. Start off by closing off the Tesco Bank app completely from running on the background. Press the menu button at the bottom left corner from your Android device and simply swipe upwards for the Tesco Bank app card. This will then force close your Tesco Bank application from your Android device. Now, go ahead and check for your Android device. Step 2. Check for available updates. Open your Google Play Store from your Android phone and go to the search box and type in Tesco Bank. Once you see the application in the search result, look for the update button and download the latest version of Tesco application on your Android phone. Step 3. Restart your device. Another step you can take is to restart your Android device. Press and hold the power switch and initiate the restart process. Once your device restarts, this will clear out temporary system files and resolve background issues that may be causing the Tesco Bank app to crash. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. Another step is to go ahead and open the Settings app from your app drawer. From Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the app list, look for the Tesco Bank application and then go to Storage. Clear out the application data and cache by following through the prompts. Once the app cache has been deleted, you can now go back to the app drawer and open the Tesco Bank application to see if that fixes the issue. So those were some of the steps you can take to fix Tesco Bank application crashing issue on Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.